Does the text on your iPhone screen ever appear faint or hard to read? Or maybe you want the colors of the text and background to be clearer so you can more easily distinguish interface elements? Apple has provided a solution for this, the Increase Contrast option, which increases the contrast between the text and icon foregrounds and the background of apps, making them clearer and easier to read. In this guide, I'll show you how to activate and adjust this option to improve screen visibility and make using your iPhone more pleasant, especially if you're struggling with low contrast or similar colors in apps. Let's get started. The first thing you need to do is open the Settings app from your home screen. Once in Settings, scroll down and find the Accessibility option and tap on it to open. When you open this option, go to the Vision section and look for the Display and Text Size option and tap on it. On the Display and Text Size settings page, the next step is to find the Increase Contrast option and tap the switch next to it to turn it on. Once you've enabled this option, you'll immediately notice changes on your screen. Text and icons will become clearer, and the difference between the background and interface elements will be more obvious. This change improves readability and makes navigation easier, especially in apps with similar background and text colors. If you want to revert to the previous settings, simply tap the switch next to the Increase Contrast option again to turn it off. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, be sure to leave a like, share the video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon in my next video.